Hi everyone, my name is John Struckman. I'm the owner of Pro Approach Bowling and our Bowling Guys coaching service here in Southern California. I'm a USBC Silver coach. I love bowling. I'm a scratch bowler, meaning that I bowl a lot of different tournaments in our local area and also on the PBA Regional Tour. I've competed one-handed and also with the two-handed style out on the regional tour, and I've done quite well for myself. I'm looking for my first regional title at some point here soon. And I'm really hopeful to get out on the lanes and work with all of you in our lessons. So I built Bowling Guys a number of years ago as a part-time venture. I just wanted to help people bowl better. And now it's turned into the demand of having so many students, thousands of people that want lessons here in Southern California. Kevin Jones and I had started this a number of years ago, and now it's come to a point where we need even more coaches to help us help people bowl better. So it takes an army and takes a village, and here we are now. So our process here at Bowling Guys is learn, practice, compete. And the reason is we truly want people to learn and understand what they're supposed to do. We want to understand and have them understand why they're doing something. If you understand why you're doing something, you'll truly learn what that is, and then you'll be able to then put that into practice. And we do recommend that you practice your bowling and not just say that you are, but actually get out there and bowl a few games each week before the next lesson. And then ultimately, we want you to compete, whatever level that is, whether you're an open play, a tournament bowler, an aspiring PBA member, at whatever level you're trying to compete at, it would be fantastic if you go through that process of learn, practice, compete to bowl at your highest level. So the mission of Bowling Guys is to help people bowl better. And it's so important to me because I love people. I want people to bowl better and to get out there and have a great time when they bowl, whether it's open play, practicing, tournaments, league play, and everything in between. Bowling's given me so much in my life. My late grandfather got me, my Opa, into bowling. And if that wasn't the case, then I wouldn't be here today. So my grandfather did that for me, and now I'd like to do that for others. And now I need a team of Bowling Guys to help me because the demand for coaching and bowling in Southern California is off the charts. And I just need help. I truly need help to help people bowl better all over Southern California. As we've expanded with Pro Approach Bowling and Bowling Guys, we have, I think it's 7 centers now that we can coach at, and more coming soon. So classes, clinics, lessons, online lessons. It's a dream come true to truly do what I like to do for a living, bowling, help people bowl better, and I'm just so blessed to be here. Everyone has a dream or a mission, right? Everyone's got their own personal things that they want to do in life, and they have their own goals that they want to obtain, but they can't do that without the support of others, and in my case, customers, friends, family, co-workers, and now coaches to help all of this come together. So without all of you and everyone that's been a part of my life up to this point now, I wouldn't be here doing this today. I wouldn't be bringing Bowling Guys to Southern California, and I definitely wouldn't be bringing Pro Approach Bowling to you. So to all of you out there, thank you so much for helping me do what I want to do for a living.